Alright guys, stand back when the unboxing is Ghost in the Shell Arise, Japan Import Volume 3. Alright, there's the price of it. There's that. Oh, and an advertisement for K-On! I've heard good remarks about this. I might get this, I don't know. Comes out September 23rd. Anyway, here's the front, spine, back, well, spine again, out back. Alright, let's go ahead and open this if I can. Alright, now let's get a whip at it. There it is. It's Shining Glory. Spine. Now the back. Sample. I don't know why they put the sample in there. The actual cover with color on it. The back. Spine. Now the back of it. Let's see. It's on Blu-ray. Disc art. Booklets. Film strip. Ghost Tears. Huh. There's that. 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 More reading. Lovely. Good thing I didn't import this myself, or I would be looking at a, what is it? Japanese. Thankfully, Funimation made up for it by making this in that. 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 There's that.